Okay, guys, you want to see this student turn themselves into a talking virtual avatar like a Disney or Pixar character? Here's the before
You're
and after.
16 and this summer could change everything. Let's go. Come through Gear Up Camp with us.
Genius Potential's AI workshop is more than just about creating your own animated twin.
Hey Rattlers, this week is Gear Up Spirit Week. Join us in the fun by dressing up for each day's theme, like College Day or Teamwork. Our Gear Up ambassadors will be leading games this Friday at the pep rally, so show your school pride and get involved.
I feel really surprised
Let's make this the best
how it came out.
ever and show
Cool? Is it cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
Awesome. Awesome. Great job.
Your students will master skills that will boost their future, like how to ask AI questions so they can tutor you, create homework practice quizzes, and even support with college search and career planning.
You took a regular photo of yourself, right? And we turned it into what?
Into a professional photo.
Okay.
Whoa, wait, I look sharp.
This photo make you feel more confident.
Yeah, I feel like it does. It makes me look so professional and I feel like I know what I'm doing. Then I had to find a photo that I liked, a professional business photo. Then I went onto ChatGPT and I asked them if they could reverse analyze the photo.
What grade are you?
9th.
You're in 9th grade?
I'm a freshman.
You're first year. Oh my gosh. You were like a million years ahead of everybody. I just want you to know that. Yes.
And that's all done in a super fun project where students learn how to write scripts, animate themselves, and brainstorm problems in their community.
We want my AI version with my real audio, to be looking into the camera.
We're in Trio. We know the power of deep work. We know how to solve problems.
Students even get to create their own virtual world, which is viewable on a VR headset during the extended version of the program. This is more than just a workshop. It's a career skill STEM boot camp disguised as creative play. Let's step into the future together.